So I have a 2015 Cadillac SRX. The trunk won't open. You know, it's usually people replace the module right here. I already replaced it. There was a lot of corrosion inside the harness. Yeah, you know how to open it. If you go inside and remove this with a screwdriver, and there is a little bin inside here. Yeah, the one is behind the bolt. You're gonna push it back, and then yeah, the gate will be unlocked. But after I fix this, you open the gate, but it doesn't go up all the way. Even manually, it won't stay on. So I get another issue here, which is the motor down here. I'm gonna find this sponge is full of water and corrosion, and also I find the harness from the corrosion is, you can see that corrosion is like a cut right here. So I actually made a little hole down here, but here this is better because later on, if you get any water on the trunk, it's gonna keep burning the module. So now I'm going to solder. Let me show you this again. There's one here in the corner, one there, and in this corner. Drill it, and then one down here too. Trust me, it's not gonna hurt anything. So I'm going to solder this. Let's see. Sometime if it's open halfway, then you're gonna have to fill up this hydraulic fluid. Take this off and add some fluid to the tub over here. But now I'm going to solder this and see how it's gonna work. Stay tight, I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I find this was a quick connector. So I cleaned this, I cleaned the corrosion, and I tried this plastic cover, and you get a clean or dry this sponge, and I get this quick disconnect. This is the number if you need 85452 from AutoZone, and I made this. I'm going to connect it. I also filled this up. It was just a little bit less, and I have already the hydraulic things. Whatever hydraulic fluid you can get. Doesn't have to be the genuine one. And this is a 4mm Allen socket. And then I open this, and then I fill it up a little bit. This thing is good. It's got this little funnel thing, tube, that you can use to fill this up. It's very easy. You don't need anything just to fill it up. You can just drip little by little, drop little by little there. Now I'm going to put everything back on, and I'm going to test it, and I'll show you after that. After I test it, stay tuned. Okay, now I'm going to do a test before I put everything back on. So if you put the black wire instead of the white, or the white instead of a black, that's fine. And I filled it up already. with a hydraulic. I got this from AutoZone, the hydraulic fluid, like 16 bucks, and I have another one that was not it was not already full. I did replace change the fluid because it was like kind of like a water or dirty water, so I changed it. I fill it up to the end until it drips out, because anyway you're gonna see just a little bit empty on the top of it, but that's fine. You can see the whole corrosion and stuff, but I'm going to do the test now. I'll show you. This is working. This button. See, now it's working and it's staying up. So everything is good now. I'm going to turn it off again. We're good, and that be it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just comment below.